In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change end mode in Excel. Open Excel on your Windows desktop, then open your workbook. Once the sheet is visible, click cell A1 so the active cell is on the name header. Now look down to the status bar along the bottom of the Excel window. This is the area where Excel shows whether end mode is active, so keep your attention there as you move through the next actions. Press the End key on your keyboard one time, then release it. After that, look to the bottom left area of the status bar. You should now see the words End Mode. That confirms the mode is turned on. At this point, pressing End by itself does not move the cursor anywhere. It only toggles the mode on and prepares the next arrow key press to make a jump through the data. With End Mode still showing, press the down arrow key once. The cursor jumps down column A from A1 to the last filled cell in the first block, which is A6. Now check the status bar again. The end mode indicator disappears right away. That shows Excel automatically turns end mode off after that single arrow key action. Press the end key again. Watch the status bar and make sure end mode appears again. Now press the down arrow key. This time the cursor jumps past the empty rows and lands on the first filled cell in the next block of data. That shows how end mode can move across gaps as well as through a continuous range. Next, turn it off manually. Press the End key once so End mode appears on the status bar. Then press the End key a second time. The End mode indicator disappears and the cursor does not move. This is the manual cancel action, and it works when you turned it on, but do not want to use the next arrow key. Now move sideways. Press End, then press the right arrow key. The cursor jumps to the last filled column in the current row, which is column D, the project column. Press End again, then press the left arrow key. The cursor jumps back to column A. Finally, press Ctrl plus Home to return to A1 and reset the view. You can now turn End mode on. Use it for one jump, or cancel it by pressing End twice. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.